Hello guys, it's Don Ime, compliment of the season. I wish you Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year ahead 2018. Follow me on Twitter and on Steemit for your informative news and your market update from the crypto space. Today we'll be talking about Bitcoin price surged to $16,500, $1 million by the end of 2018. Wow. Early today, on December 27th, the Bitcoin price surged to $16,500, recording a major gain for the first time since December 22nd, prior to the Xmas. So we can see, prior to the Xmas, the Bitcoin price actually went as high as $20,000. Okay, and a few days to the Christmas, say the Friday before the Christmas, it was called the Black Friday in the cryptocurrency world. It was called the Black Friday in the crypto space. The Bitcoin actually dropped down to 10,700 on Bitstamp. However, we've seen the price of Bitcoin moving as high as $16,500, which means that the Bitcoin actually is gaining back its momentum to the moon again. So with that regards, I think there's hope in the crypto space. Analysts are optimistic about it. Analysts including John McAfee. John McAfee is the founder of the antivirus company McAfee. You might know him. He's a billionaire. So he's also into the cryptocurrency space currently. So analysts including John McAfee and cryptocurrency hedge fund co-founder Report expressed their optimism towards the short and mid-term growth trend of Bitcoin, giving its latest momentum and overall increase in the value throughout 2017. You see, in 2017, we observed as at February 2017, the price of Bitcoin was $1,350, and a lot of people were speculating it could go down. It's going to fall to zero. Bitcoin is in a bubble. Bitcoin, it's a scam. And some persons were saying Bitcoin is going to go up, so join the train, join the plane, let's get down to the moon together. And a lot of persons were actually pessimistic about it. But today, December 27th 2017, we're saying the price of Bitcoin as high as $16,500. We can actually confirm that from CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap is a website where you can get details of cryptocurrencies, their prices and their range. So currently on CoinMarketCap, the price of Bitcoin is $16,061, and so far it has actually had within the last 24 hours transaction on Bitcoin, it's over $12.4 billion, and the current market capitalization of Bitcoin is over $269 billion, with a maximum supply of 21 million BTC, and currently with a circulating supply of 16.7 BTC. However, we'll be talking about why Bitcoin is going to get down to $1 million at the end of 2020. You might either join the train, or join the plane, or join the rocket to the moon, or you might still be pessimistic and say Bitcoin is in a bubble. John McAfee, his analysis why Bitcoin will be $1 million by end of 2020, say less than 3 years from now. This is what he has to say. As I predicted, Bitcoin is rebounding and rapidly climbing after Christmas. It is still by far the best long-term crypto investment, and I firmly stand by my prediction of $1 million by the end of 2020. Historically, Bitcoin has demonstrated a tendency to recover soon after a large correction and walk up to all-time high price within a few weeks. Hence, Bitcoin's speedy recovery after Christmas was expected by most investors in the cryptocurrency market. However, McAfee's $1 million Bitcoin price prediction by 2020 is noteworthy because other investors such as Overstock CEO Patrick Bryan and Mike Novogratz. Mike Novogratz is a one-time stock investor who is now into the crypto space and is a billionaire by investing into cryptocurrency way back 2015, and he has made a lot of money from it. Say $250 million on the cryptocurrency space. He has made over $250 million from trading cryptocurrency through Ethereum. So Mike Novogratz has suggested a similar figure. Imagine if billionaires are talking and they're actually predicting this is where the current stock or the current cryptocurrency is going to go to. Who are we, who have not made any money from crypto space, who are we to actually judge? So I think we actually follow them. You can't beat them, you join them. We have to follow them based on their prediction. However, McAfee's $1 million Bitcoin price prediction by 2020 is noteworthy because other investors such as Overstock CEO Patrick Bryan and Mike Novogratz have suggested a similar figure. Analysts believe that once the market valuation of Bitcoin surpasses the $1 trillion mark, it will be able to surpass the market valuation of the traditional assets like gold and eventually penetrate into the global offshore banking market. In his opinion, which is the Overstock CEO, Patrick Bryan, in his opinion, he says that we have all these currencies since Bretton Woods fluctuating against each other, and maybe the dollar hasn't gone to zero. Yes, it's true. And maybe the dollar hasn't gone to zero against this currency, but all of them have grown down 95% versus something that they cannot control like gold and Bitcoin. So Bitcoin may be one of its way to $1 million for all we know. Investors in the cryptocurrency market are anticipating a variety of factors and even to lead to a Bitcoin price surge. The filing of 8 Bitcoin exchange traded fund ETFs by the New York Stock Exchange (NYSE) and the Chicago Board Option Exchange (BOE), for instance, is expected to bring many billions of dollars into the Bitcoin market. Given the success of the launch of our Bitcoin futures, several partners are very interested in moving forward with the development of an exchange traded product, said a CBOE spokesman. 2018 exciting year for Bitcoin. 2018 exciting year for Bitcoin is called scaling. Another major factor that could drive the price of Bitcoin up significantly is cost scaling. Currently, it remains unclear whether the Bitcoin core development team and the community will initiate a block size increase to eliminate a congestion on the Bitcoin blockchain. The majority of Bitcoin users are paying fees in the range of $3 to $5 per transaction. Such high fees disallow users from making payments below $30. Wallets like Blockchain and Coinbase, two of the largest platforms in the market, are recommending a fee of 120 bytes per transaction. But innovative scaling solution in 2018 could enable users to process payment with fees under $1. Notably, solutions like Litecoin with Segwit, possibly block size increase, and other second layer solutions could provide efficient scalability. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys later.